Explain the equipment composition and connection method of the infrared sensor. Here is the main module of the sensor. It consists of a supplementary light device and a camera. The angle of the camera can be adjusted up and down, and the telephoto and wide-angle lenses can be rotated left and right. The rear end is connected to the power cord and USB cable. The power cord needs to be connected to a 12-volt 2-ampere power adapter for power supply. Plug the USB cable directly into the rear USB port of the host. If the distance is relatively long, you can use a USB extension cable. This is the software dongle. Then connect the infrared sensor to the system and insert it into the USB port of the computer. Powering the device. Then insert the dongle into the USB port. Connection complete. How the interactive module is installed with. There is an iron block here which can be fixed to the hanger position with screws. Make the infrared device vertically down. If conditions permit, it can be installed directly above the entire screen. As long as it covers the entire screen,